Hi, welcome to Magman 2. This session will cover the web features of the Magman system. Firstly, it's important to make sure you use Google Chrome when loading up the web browser. In this new version of Magman, there is a number of different levels within the system. Firstly, the client level, then you'll see site levels, followed by each magazine within your site. Under the client level, you'll see a number of user groups. These user groups set the security levels to effectively manage your Magman on site. You'll also see user management. This feature here allows you to either add users, remove users, or update the features of current users. When you click into any user, you get the option to give them tablet access, web access, or both. For anybody that needs web access, they do need an email address. Then you complete their personal details, PIN number, and enter a password in. You also have the option to enter in an expiry date for that particular user, which generally links to their explosives license. Importantly, you need to then assign them to a security level. So if they're going to be an administrator, check administrator, or if you want them to have both, they can be both an administrator and a standard user. Save the feature. Once you go beyond the client level, you get to the site level. Under the site level, you'll see inventory item management. This allows you to control the items within your magazine, make changes, or add new items. So the list you see before you is a list of items that are currently loaded into your magazine. By clicking the Details tab, you'll see the details of this particular item. You can make changes to any of these details to suit your needs. If you no longer want the item in the magazine, just make it inactive. If you want to change the image to an image that's more suitable for your site, simply go in, click on the image, and select an image to upload into the system. The next time you sync the tablet, the new image will appear. There's also the option to change what people see on the screen of the tablet when they're taking, returning, or doing any of the standard functions. So within here, you can see the unit, which generally refers to the base unit, such as the debt, and then the base quantity, which might be a box. By playing with these features, it allows you to change these on the screen of your tablet. You can also add items by simply selecting Add Item and then entering in whatever particular item you want. You can also load items from the standard inventory. Here is a list of a wide-ranging list of suppliers, and you simply select what you'd like, upload it, and then now that will appear in your magazine. Then we get on to locations. So these are the locations that you'll see on your tablet when you go to make a transaction. The best way to do this is firstly to export the locations that you currently have in the system, and it'll open a spreadsheet. The particular spreadsheet looks similar to this, which one I've prepared earlier. If you want to then change the locations, it's quite simple to either add a location on the bottom by copying it down and adding whatever location. Make sure that it's set to true and make sure that it is going into the magazine that you want it to go into when you have multiple magazines. As you can see here, this example has multiple magazines. You need to make sure that's correct. And then to upload this into the system, it's quite simply a matter of location import. It asks you to select a file and locate where you've got that file and upload locations. and import. What you then see is whether there was any errors for any reason or warnings, and then it updates what you've just put into the system, which were these two here. When the tablet's now synced, they will appear on the tablet. The other important thing to realise at the site level is you can click on this little button here. It gives you a number of options, which is general information for the particular area, but it also gives you the legal requirement prompt. So you can change this, make it active or inactive, which prompts users to acknowledge your legal responsibilities whenever they take any items in or out of the magazine from the tablet. Then we move to the magazine level. Again, once we click on this button, very important to look at user access and see which users you have assigned to your particular site or magazine. So simply select which people you would like and then go back out. One of the big advantages with the updated Magman system is that from here you can actually take transactions or make transactions from the website, which was not possible on the old version. Once you select an option, it'll give you the same sort of features as previously. You can set up your own functions here to ask questions and make them compulsory. In this case, I've made the ring compulsory, so it's ring 12. You go confirm, and that's been entered in. The other important feature when you click on here is to make sure that we've assigned users at the higher level, but to assign a user specifically to the magazine, you need to come in here and pick that particular person. Also visible in the magazines, this allows you to select or unselect the particular items you want in a magazine. And then you can also see your locations within this magazine. If you simply want to add one more location as opposed to bulk upload as we saw before, it's simply a matter of entering your location in here. If you like, you can put a sort order in, which will allow the names to sort in a sequence that you'd like them in. And then you can see it's been added in. So now that will appear on the tablet next time it's synced. And that's really the main features within the current Magman web version. There are quite a number of other features which are on the way, including uploading production plans. So engineers can load the production plans up and allow people to select those directly off the tablet. And also there's alerts which get emailed out now, which allow people to understand the stock levels and whether they drop below your minimum stock levels, and various other features that I'll explain in the next version of our tutorials. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any issues, please contact info@magman.net.au. Thank you.